Find the variance. In order to find the variance, I'm first going to have to calculate the mean. And to calculate the mean, I have to sum up my terms and then divide by the number of terms that I have. So in this case, I'm going to add the 600 with the 470, with the 170, with the 430, and with the 300. Then I'm going to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, since I have 5 terms. Now when I calculate the numerator, I'm going to get a total of 1,970. Then after I divide it by 5, I'm going to get a total of 394. So my mean is 394. Next, I'm going to use this graphic organizer to keep track of all of my calculations. First, I'm going to record all of my x values on this left column. I have 600, 470, 170, 430, and 300. Now, each of these x values, I'm going to subtract with the mean. So each one of them is going to get subtracted by a total of 394. After I calculate each of these individually, I get these results: 206, 76, negative 224, 36, and negative 94. Each one of these values, I'm going to square it. These are also referred to as the squared differences because I subtracted each one of them from the mean, and now I'm just going to square each one of those values. So in doing so, I'm going to get 206 to the second power, 76 to the second power, negative 224 to the second power, 36 to the second power, and negative 94 to the second power. So calculating each one of those individually, I'm going to get these results. All of the values that I got on my last column, I'm going to add them up. I need to get the sum of 42,436, 5,776, 50,176, 1,296, and 8,836. Adding all of these up, I'm going to get a total of 108,520. Now, once I have that value, I'm going to divide by the number of terms, my original x values. So recall that I had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x values. So I'm going to divide by 5. And that final calculation is famously known as the variance. So here my variance is going to be 108,520. That's the sum of the square differences. And then I'm going to divide by the total number of observations. And here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're dividing by 5. Now, when I divide these two quantities, I get that my variance is going to be 21,704. I also want to pay attention to the notation. Sometimes the variance, they use this Greek letter sigma to the second power. And that is also a symbol for variance. So if you see that in the statistics course, we are looking for the variance.